Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do drawing to scale. And we have a number 3 feet 8 inch times 4 feet 3 inch. And we have the scale here, 1 inch equals 1 feet. So first we need to convert the number 3 feet into inch on the scale. So 3 feet times 1 on the scale. So we need to draw 3 inch on the scale, and 8 inch was the number on the scale, so we need to convert to feet first, and 12 inch equals 1 feet, so 8 over 12. Then we reduce the number here. But 2 over 3, you can't find this number on the scale. You only see the number on the scale is those numbers. So this number is here in between, so we need to find the x for x over 2. So 2 over 3 equals x over 2. So 3x equals 4. So x equals 4, 3 for the third. So what's the number? It's 1.33. And we need to round the number. So the x is about 1. So on the scale for 8 inch and 8 inch would be for the 8 inch. Oh, it's about 1 second for the feet, and times 1 on the scale equals second. So when you draw on the scale, you draw 3 and 1 second inch. For 4 feet 3 inch. So first convert feet into scale. So scale. And so you draw 4 inch on the scale, and 3 inch convert it to feet, so 3 over 12. We need to reduce number, so it's equal 1 over 4 inch. Then we convert to the scale, so it's equal 1 over 4 inch on the scale. So for 4 feet 3 inch, you draw 4 and 4 and 1/4 inch on the scale, on the paper. So when you draw 3 and 1/2 inch on the scale, but you need to write down the actual number here. And write down scale 1 inch equals 1 feet. That's how you present when you're